Hello, welcome to TensorFlow for Machine Learning Solutions by Nick McClure, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Adam Stewart, and I will be Nick McClure's voice for this course. Nick McClure is currently a senior data scientist at PayScale, Inc. in Seattle. Prior to this, he has worked at Zillow and Caesars Entertainment. He has a passion for learning and advocating for analytics, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Nick occasionally puts his thoughts and musings on his blog, from data.org or through his Twitter account. Let me give you a little overview of what we're going to do in this course. The first section, Getting Started with TensorFlow, covers the main objectives and concepts in TensorFlow. We introduce tensors, variables and placeholders. Section 2, the TensorFlow way, establishes how to connect all the algorithm components from section 1 into a computational graph in multiple ways to create a simple classifier. Then we'll see linear regression, which focuses on using TensorFlow for exploring various linear regression techniques, such as Deming, lasso, ridge, elastic net, and logistic regression. Later, support vector machines introduces support vector machines and shows how to use TensorFlow to implement nonlinear SVMs and multi-class SVMs. Lastly, nearest neighbor methods will show how to implement nearest neighbor techniques using numerical metrics, text metrics, and scale distance functions. So, yeah, that covers what we're going to learn. What are you waiting for? Let's begin this journey.